Now let us begin the class. 46, only 46 have attended so far. Only 46 have joined the class. We can't wait anymore for others. Now, can somebody who wants to read the synonyms for all these words? This was given to you as homework yesterday. Hope all of you have done. First you switch on your video and show me your notes, everyone. I want to see that you have done the work. Switch on your video and show your notebook. Now there are 44 students. Anybody showing notebooks? Yeah, only one or two are showing the notebooks. Yeah, I can see some notebooks. Please, everybody just turn your notebook towards the camera. I want to know that, I want to know that you have worked at home. Right.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Are you showing your synonyms for these
Yes,
words?
sir.
Very few are showing their notebooks to me. Very few are showing notebooks. You switch on your video and show your notes where you have written that are synonyms for these words. Now tell me, somebody please quickly read the synonyms for delightful.
To go into
Sir, Tanmay.
Yeah, Tanmay.
Pleasant, enjoyable, charming.
Siddu, gala lagana mahate phone sir. Siddu.
Yeah, next, clever.
Swati, mute yourself. Mahate phone sir, jo. Man class agega.
I have muted everyone. I have muted everyone. Those who are speaking can unmute and speak. Now, clever, delighted.
Sir, I'm Swati, sir. Shall I say the meaning?
Yeah, Swati. Swati, come on.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Tanmay, Swati. Can you hear me, Swati?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Yeah, you can start reading your synonyms quickly without wasting much time.
The meaning of clever is skillful or smart. Hello,
No, I'm
sir.
not asking for the meaning. I'm asking you to give the list of synonyms for those words.
Yeah, sir, that only.
Yeah.
Synonym of clever is skillful or smart. And the synonym of pounder is heavy tool of a stone or an iron.
No. It is P-O-N-D-E-R, ponder, not pounder. It is not pound, it is ponder. P-O-N-D-E-R, ponder. No, you checked a different word.
Meditate.
Yeah, right.
Meditate,
Sir,
think about.
Think thoughts, sir. Think thoughts.
Pink?
Thoughts.
What is the spelling?
Thought, sir, thought. T-H-O-U-G-H-T.
For which word you are telling?
Ponder.
Yeah, come on, go on reading. Go on reading your synonyms. For the next word,
Sir, banner, heading, headline, placard, poster, banner, sir.
okay, right. Next,
Sir, I'm Swati, sir. The synonym of banner is poster, notice, sign,
yeah,
and the synonym. Hello, sir.
yeah. Continue. Please don't. You continue.
The synonym of indivisible is
Indecisive. That is indecisive. Indecisive.
experience and related to the word.
No.
Hesitant, inconclusive.
Yeah, hesitant and inconclusive can be the synonyms of indecisive. Next, famous.
Well known,
Well known, celebrated, noted, talked of,
Right. Okay.
honored, great, grand,
Right.
famed, popular, leading, best known, in
Right.
the public eye.
Okay, correct. Gigantic.
Huge, enormous,
Enormous,
vast, wide,
big, jump,
extensive, broad,
Okay. Next, hold.
grasp, clasp, clench,
take,
grasp,
hold of,
grip,
vision,
catch,
Okay, correct. Next.
impossible, difficult, hopeless,
Okay, exaggerate.
overstate, hyperbolize,
make too much of, stretch, overdo.
Okay, right. Correct. But you must give more and more. See, your capacity to speak in English increases if you know the English words. You should know number of words. Thousands of English words, vocabulary. You have to improve your vocabulary. Only then you can say, I have mastered English language. See, what is the difference? All of us can speak in English, but what is the difference between one person and another? One has 5,000 words. One knows 5,000 words. One knows 20,000 words. One knows only 1,000 words. So, see, the number of words, knowing number of words is very important. Only then one can say one knows English. Okay, you have to improve your vocabulary. Now, quickly, you write antonyms for these words. Quickly, write in your notebook. Write antonyms for these words using appropriate prefixes. I will give you 2 minutes time so that you can note down and write antonyms for these words in your notebook. Are you ready with your antonyms? Opposite words. Any word can come in your examination, but usually the words which are there in the lessons only will come. Usually, the words which are there in the lesson will come. Sometimes other words also may come. Are you working? Have you noted down all the words?
yes, sir.
Yeah, quickly. Use suitable prefixes and change them into antonyms. Attended. What is the antonym? Formal.
Informal.
Correct. Informal. You can note down all the others also. You can note down formal, informal. Credible.
Unbelievable. Untrustworthy.
See, antonym, I said use prefixes. I have not asked you to change the word. Unbelievable is also correct. The meaning is correct, but you have to use the word credible and write a prefix for that word.
Incredible.
Yeah, right. Incredible means unbelievable. Incredible, right? Correct. Others can note down. Relevant,
Irrelevant.
correct.
Irrelevant.
Irrelevant,
Irrelevant.
correct, correct. Accurate.
Improper.
No, again you are using a
Inaccurate.
different word. Yeah,
Loose. Inaccurate.
inaccurate, right?
Inaccurate.
Inaccurate, correct. Accurate, inaccurate. I have not asked you to give the meaning. I have asked you to change the word into antonym using a prefix, right? Efficient,
Inefficient.
Inefficient.
correct, correct. Efficient opposite inefficient. Inefficient. Hope others are noting down. Satisfied,
Dissatisfied.
Satisfied.
right,
Unhappy.
right. Dissatisfied. Unsatisfied also is there. Unsatisfied is there, dissatisfied is there. But both have different meanings. You can note down and check, look up dictionary. What is unsatisfied, what is dissatisfied?
Unfulfilled.
Order, antonym?
Disorder.
Disorder.
Keeping.
Disorder.
Disorder, right. Probable,
Improbable.
correct,
Improbable.
correct, correct. Improbable, improbable. Legible,
Illegible.
correct.
Illegible.
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 IL. You should add IL.
IL.
IL, legible, illegible. I'm giving time so that the others can write down. Rational,
Irrational.
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 irrational, correct. IRR. Irrational. Mature,
Immature.
immature. Correct, correct. Conscious,
Unconscious.
Unconscious.
conscious,
Unconscious.
unconscious. Moral,
Immoral.
Immoral.
immoral, correct. Immoral, correct. I am, him. But amoral is also there. You can note down and look up dictionary. AMORAL. Amoral. There is a word. Amoral. AMORAL. Please check dictionary and note down. I will not explain all the words. You have to look up dictionary. Necessary,
Unnecessary.
unnecessary. Correct.
Unnecessary.
Unnecessary. Qualified,
Disqualified.
Disqualified.
disqualified. Correct. Disqualified is there. There is another word, unqualified. You please check. Check the difference between this and this. Qualified, disqualified, and unqualified. Continue.
Discontinue.
Discontinue.
Continue.
Correct. Visible,
Invisible.
invisible. Polite,
Impolite.
Impolite.
impolite. Correct.
Polite.
Impolite. Responsible,
Irresponsible.
irresponsible. Manage, mismanage, mismanage. Now, come on, open your dictionary. I told you you should have a dictionary with you. Look up a dictionary and find out the meanings of the following words. One word substitute. These are one word substitutes. One word substitutes. Do you know the word philosophy? Philosophy. Have you heard the word philosophy? Philosophy, Vinara?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is the meaning of
sir.
philosophy? Anybody? Does anyone know the meaning of philosophy? See, Sophia, Philen, two words are there. Philen, phil means love. Sophia means knowledge. Philosophy means love of knowledge. See, the root, I told you, by learning roots also we can improve our vocabulary. So from now onwards, whenever you see the PHIL, phil, you can understand that it has got something to do with love. Sophia means knowledge. Okay, PHIL, phil means love. Here, bibliophile, there is PHIL, that means love. Biblio, what is the meaning of biblio? That is a root. Biblio means book. Now tell me, what is the meaning of bibliophile?
Person who collects books.
Who collects had a great love of books.
Okay, a person who collects books. To give the meaning according to the roots, we can say a person who loves books. Okay, a person who
Okay,
loves
sir.
books. Next, zoo. I think you know the meaning. Automatically, you can give the meaning of this word. You need not.
Place where animals are kept.
Right, very good. A place
Where
where.
the group of animals live in.
Yes, correct. Next. Fathom. Fathom. Hope you are checking your dictionary.
A measure of the depth of water.
Okay, right.
Unit of length.
Yes, correct. Next word,
Equals.
astronomy. Checking.
The branch of
scientific
science
Study of
which
everything in the
of
universe.
stars.
The branch
space
of
and the physical inverse.
The branch of science which deals with the space and the physical universe.
correct.
It is the study of everything in the universe.
Right. What is astrology? Have you heard of the word astrology? Check that word.
The
Astrology.
study of supposed
Study
influence
of
of the stars.
astronomy is study of stars. Astrology.
Supposed influence of the stars.
Right, correct. Can somebody else also check the meaning
Planets
of?
on human affairs.
Yeah. Again,
The
please.
study of planets, the study of the planets on human affairs.
Right, very good. The study of planets on human affairs. Right. Connoisseur. This is pronounced connoisseur. It is a French word, connoisseur. So please be careful with the spelling. Yeah, what's the meaning of connoisseur?
A person with great knowledge and appreciation of something.
Yeah, a person who has a great knowledge and appreciation of something. A person, he can be anybody. He can appreciate art, he can appreciate painting, he can appreciate music, or he can appreciate cooking. He knows many things about cooking, or he knows many things about everything is an art. Okay, a person who has vast knowledge on a particular thing, who can appreciate. All the others also, please check the meanings afterwards and write them in your notebook. These words may come in your examination. Use the following words in your own sentences. It may come like that. Or multiple choice questions also may be given. You have to pick the correct answer. I think all of you know this. Pediatrician. Who is a pediatrician? Yes.
Diseases in the children.
Yeah. Can you
A
repeat? Yeah.
Medical practice.
A medical practitioner specializes in children and their disease.
Right. Can you give a simple word for that?
Who specialized in treating
Medical
children and their
doctor.
disease.
Yeah, a medical doctor who treats children. Children's doctor. Children's specialist.
Children's doctor.
Children's doctor, you can say. Right. Veterinarian. Veterinarian.
A person qualified
A
to treat
person
diseased or
qualified to
injured
treat disease or
animals.
injured animals.
Yeah, so simply how can you say animal doctor?
Yes, sir.
Animals doctor.
Yeah. Now you can tell me without checking, without looking up dictionary, you give the meaning of this word. Zoophile. You know what a zoo is and you know what phil means. Zoophile. What is a zoo?
Where animals live.
Where animals
Yeah, what is phil? Phil? You don't know, just now I told you 5 minutes back.
A person who is devoted to an animal.
Right, correct. But I think you have checked the dictionary or you have given on your own. Yeah, now check, look up dictionary. Zoophile.
Same meaning, sir.
What is the meaning?
A person who is devoted to animal.
So you did not guess, you checked the dictionary. Okay, a lover of animals. Phil means love, I gave you. How can you forget a meaning which I gave you 5 minutes back? While explaining bibliophile, I explained in detail. I said biblio means book, phil means love, and whenever phil comes, you have to understand that it has something to do with love. That's what I said. How can you forget just after 5 or 6 words? Now you don't remember the meaning of that word. See, please be attentive. Phil means love. A person who loves animals, zoophile. Transitory. Yeah, transitory. Check dictionary. Hope everybody has given attendance.
Yes, sir.
Don't give again when you rejoin. See, after rejoining,
sir.
are you giving attendance?
No, sir.
Yeah.
sir.
Don't give only once.
Sir, the
Once
meaning of
again,
transitory
give
is
attendance
It's not permanent.
It is temporary.
not permanent.
Right. Temporary. Transitory means temporary, not permanent. Correct? Optimist. Look up quickly. Look up dictionary.
Sir, hopeful, sir. Hopeful and confident about future.
Yeah, optimistic means that what you said. Optimistic is hopeful. Optimistic is a person who is hopeful. Optimist is a person who always sees the bright side of things, who is always positive, a person who is always positive about things. Okay?
a person who believes that that word is best.
Yeah, a person.
A person who believes that this word is best.
Yeah, okay, this world is good and I can achieve anything. If you ask him anything, he says, yes, I will do it. Can you write an exam tomorrow? Yes, I can. Will you get good marks? Yes, I will get good marks. Can you solve the problem? Yes, I can solve the problem. So always he has positive attitude. Such person is an optimist. What is the opposite of optimist? While giving the meanings of certain things, I am explaining something else. Are you noting down all those things? Do you want me to tell? You have to note down. When I gave the meaning of fill, you should have noted down. Okay. The opposite of optimist is anybody?
Negative.
Pessimist. See,
Negative thoughts.
no.
Pessimist.
Opposite of optimist is pessimist. Opposite of positive thinker is negative thinker. Similar word has to be given as antonym. Okay, not a different word. If I say optimist, the antonym should be pessimist. If I say positive thinker, the antonym should be negative thinker. But when I say optimist, you cannot say negative thinker. Okay, PESSIMIST. 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 A person who always sees the negative side of things. Who always sees the negative side of things. That person is a pessimist. Now thousands of people, lakhs of people are suffering from COVID-19. A person who has positive attitude, a person who is an optimist thinks, I will not get COVID-19. A person who has negative attitude, a person who is a pessimist might say, I may get COVID-19. No, I will not get. That is optimist. That is optimism. Opposite of optimism is pessimism. Optimism means positive attitude. Pessimism means negative attitude. Optimistic, opposite, pessimistic. Optimist, opposite, pessimist. That is adjective. Now quickly match the one word substitutes. On right hand side, description is given, the meaning is given in number of words. On left hand side, you have one word substitutes. Okay, you match the one word substitutes with their meanings. In 2 minutes, we are going to get disconnected. Let us join again. Shall we join or shall we stop?
Okay, sir.
Sir, second one is a person who does not believe
No,
in God.
everyone has to think first. Everyone has to think, everyone has to note down, everyone has to match. Then only you can let all others also think. Shall we stop with this or shall we meet again? Whatever you say. If all are ready to join again after 1 minute, I will continue. Now 55 participants are there. I will start the class again. If 55 students join immediately in a minute or two, I will continue the class. Otherwise, I will wind up with this.